On your side radar screen, coming to life this evening with a few scattered showers, mostly on the Illinois side and then back farther to our west and southwest. So far in the metro, it's been very light rain and very light sprinkles that we've seen so far. And while our ground is pretty saturated, as we head further into spring, we're going to be focused on snow, but maybe not in the way you would think. Jessica Quick's here to explain.
Yeah, it's no secret this winter's been more active for many of us across the Midwest. Even here in St. Louis, we've had our most snow in the last 5 years. States to our north have had chart-topping snowfalls, but where does all of this snow go when it melts? The answer is downstream through our major rivers. You can see, even across parts of northern Missouri, there's still at least 2 inches of snow on the ground. Farther north, more than 2 feet. So all of that snow has to come downstream. The National Weather Service issued their spring flooding outlook that includes several places along the Mississippi and the Missouri rivers that will go into moderate flooding here as we head towards March and April. One of those places is in Grafton along the Mississippi. We went there today to see how the businesses are preparing for a flood forecast like this. Grafton is a river town of only about 650 people, but on warm days, especially in the spring and summer, local businesses are jam-packed with visitors wanting to enjoy the scenery. This street is usually lined with cars when it's warm out, but the threat of high water can turn people around and kind of put a damper on tourism. The owner of the Grafton Winery says one of the biggest impacts is the roadblocks when people get to Alton.
It's ongoing even after the water goes down because we'll get phone calls sometimes a month afterwards. Are you guys open? Yeah, we're open. I mean, you want to put a bubble machine in the back, but yeah, you know, that's the biggest impact because Grafton's such a tourist town, and that's the main industry up here.
Now, the Mississippi has a 25 to 50% chance of rising to moderate flood stage by the end of March, but by the end of April, it has a 50 to 75% chance of rising to moderate flooding in Grafton, and that means it rises above 24 feet. The detours along Route 100, the Great River Road there, start at 24.7 feet. Brussels Ferry is closed at 25.5 feet, and the precipitation outlook is looking like it's going to be above average heading into the second week of March.